Hello everyone, this is Vinay. You are watching EduSmart. So, as we have got a good response for the Microsoft free internship online offer, so I'm going to provide answers for this internship so that you can have a reference and complete your internship. So this can help you that way. So if you do not know anything about this Microsoft free internship, I suggest you to watch this video on training plus internship offer from Microsoft. I have provided the link for this video in the description box. So click on that link and watch this video. Now let us start the internship discussion. Okay. So basically in this there are 6 modules, and in 6 modules there are different kind of documents to be uploaded. Say for some modules you need to upload some documents, and in some modules you will be required to start a recording. Okay, you need to start a recording, like there will be a button like start recording. Click on that start recording. It will be recording for seconds. You simply stop recording and upload that file. So that is how you need to upload a recording file. And in somewhere they will be asking you to upload a video. Okay, so .mp4 file, you can upload any small 1 second or 2 second video that you can upload, and you can complete that task as well. So instead of mp4 you can also upload a picture or something like that. That will also work fine. So that is about some kind of things. And in this internship, apart from the documents that are to be uploaded, there are also some questions like multiple choice questions that are to be answered. Okay, I'll be showing you the answers for that multiple choice questions. Now what you need to do is take a paper and pen and write answers for those internships like multiple choice questions, and you can reproduce the same when you are solving your task. Okay, now let us see that task. Now I already completed this. You can see I can download my certificate. Let me show you my certificate first. So this is my certification from Microsoft for completing the virtual internship. Okay, so now let us start this. uh, I'm going to show you the answers again because to help you complete this. Okay, now this is the first one where there are multiple choice questions in the module 1 itself, first task. I have already completed it, but for your sake I'm going to redo the same task. Now yes, it's working fine. So you need to click on that start task and come here down. Okay, click here to start the task. Now this will help you to. So when was Microsoft founded? The answer is 1975. Click this, go to next question. We have completed question number 1. Now coming to the second question, the answer is 2030. Click it, go to next question. Third question answer is C. So this is the third question answer. Click go to next question. Coming to the fourth question answer, it is B. Click it and go to next question. And the fifth question answer is July. So you can see July, click it, go to next question. So what you need to do is answer these questions, like take a paper and write the answers for this. Now coming to the sixth question, the answer is B. The seventh question answer is C. Coming to the eighth question, the answer is B. Now ninth question answer is D. So it might take some time while loading the question. So do patiently wait till it has loaded completely. The 10th question answer is 210. That is D. And the 11th question answer is C. The 12th question answer is B. So I hope you have completed this writing. Okay. Now let us see another module task where you need to complete this. Okay. So what you need to do is it is shown that congratulations on completing that. So each and for every module they will be asking you to give a review. So you have to give a review, you need to give a point on scale like 4 rating or 5 rating, and after give like a message like great, good or something, and click submit. After completing each and every module, you will earn a badge for completing a module. Okay. Now let us see another task where you require to provide answers again. So I have completed the same task twice. Okay. Now let us move on to this module page and go for the task where you are required to provide answers for the next. Okay. So uploading files is similar, like clicking on that, and if you do not know, let me show you uploading it again. How to upload a file. I have provided the module names and all, so I have completed already this. I have provided the link to my blog where I have provided the links for all the answers of this. Like if you wanted to complete like this one, like module 2 task 1, like that. I have provided headings and I have provided the answers. You just need to click on that and upload that file. Now let me show you how to upload that file. So this is module 1, sorry, module 2 task 1. Here it is, you can see upload word. Here you need to download that, you have to download the links I have provided my blah blah, and you need to do this. Now see module 2 task 1, open and upload it. Now this will be uploaded onto this. You'll see a message like uploaded success once you have uploaded it. So upload is successful, right? Now click this button, mark as complete. Only then it will be treated as mark as complete. So this module is like that. Okay, I have already completed, so that's why I have got congratulations message. So this is how you need to give a review for each and everything. Only then you will be back. Okay, so like say good, awesome, great, thanks, thank you, like there's something like that. You need to give anything that you wanted to do. Coming to the another module where I wanted to discuss is this one, which is a module 5th in task 8. So in this module 5 task 8, so this is the task number 8. So this is task 8. I am going to provide the answers, so please do note the answers, only then you can get it. Okay, these are multiple choice questions. About 14 questions are there. And the question first one answer is A, dominant, and the second question answer is D, cautious. Now we are on to the third question. Answer is B, inspiring. The fourth question answer is B, inspiring. The fifth question answer is again a D, which is cautious. And sixth question, so you inspiring communication, what is the most effective way to communicate with them? Opportunity for rating and discussing ideas. Okay. The coming to the seventh question, the answer is 1. Eighth question answer is C. The ninth question answer is 4. So cautious is the answer again. I hope you are noting these answers so that you can use it. Okay. 10th question answer is 1, dominant. 11th question answer is 3. Coming to the 12th question answer is 2, which is inspiring. 13th question answer is 4, cautious. The final question answer is 3. So support you. So this is how you will finish. For the remaining ones, remaining tasks, there is something like documents to be uploaded. So I have provided the documents in that blog. You just need to download the documents and upload it. And if there are any cases where you need to upload a video, you can upload any 2-second or 1-second video. That works fine. Or else you can upload an image even. That can also work. And coming to the recording, in one task they will be asking you to record a video. There will be a button to start recording. Just click on start recording and give access to your microphone. That will start recording a video. Then click stop recording and just upload that video. So that's how you'll complete all the tasks here. So there is nothing to worry, and if you cannot get any of that, you just let me know in the comment section so that I will help you get it again. So that's how you will complete this module and all the tasks. Now let us see my my certificate. I think I have already shown you, right? Yes, I have shown you that. This is my certificate as I got today itself. So I'm again showing you how to complete it. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button. Also share with your